Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today we're gonna change wiper blades on this C Class Mercedes. That's one produced from 2014 up to 2023. This car takes two 22-inch wiper blades, and we will need special top lock M adapter to fit HEYNER hybrid wiper blades on this car. Okay, first we're gonna remove wiper blades, so we need to lift arm, push it this way so you can see this bit of plastic here, and now allowed us to move the adapter, and then you can release wiper blade. To fit HEYNER hybrid wiper blades, we will need to remove this adapter and fit HEYNER one. So to do that, we need to click it down, and on this side, this metal part, this plastic parts need to go out of the metal arm, and that's allowed us to take that off. There's also a little rubber part which we need to remove, and now we've got a metal arm ready to take HEYNER adapter. We're gonna take one of the top lock M, adapter, yeah, so it looks like that, and it fits here to the arm. You will push it, you will hear the click. To release it, you've got button here to push it and remove. Okay, now we're gonna take 22-inch long wiper blade out of the box. We've got hook adapter, which we don't need for this type of wiper arm, as we've got special top lock M adapter. And now we're going to take this metal bar, goes exactly here. There's a space, and you can click it